Hi, to remove objects from photos on your Samsung Galaxy A35, firstly we will need to open our gallery and here select a photo we want to adjust. I'm gonna choose this one and I wanna erase this part from here and leave just the plant itself. For that, I would need to tap this pen icon, which is for editing, and here we would need to tap on those 4 dots, and after that we'll see some options. So from here, simply choose Object Eraser by tapping it, and first thing we can do is we can take a look at this upper part. Here we got 2 options, Erase Shadows and Erase Reflections. So we can tap Erase Shadows, for example, and now AI is doing the work, so it just erased shadows from my picture. Also, we can just use this arrow to discard changes, and we can tap or draw around the object we want to erase. So let's just draw around this part like that. Let me do it one more time, and let's remove this box from here as well. And now you need to tap this erase button right here, and it would be erasing those objects. And as you can see, it's working, so we just erase those 2 objects from the photo. If you messed up, you can use this arrow to discard changes, but if you're satisfied with the result, you can just tap down button and save this picture. So here you can use revert to bring everything back to default, or you can tap save, and after that you can save it over the original. So let's tap save, and this is the result. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.